How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one and this one too, as you can see, over 300k followers. It's powered by AI. That means it's an AI influencers and it doesn't exist, even though it's followed by real people. As you can see, this is a lot of pictures, a lot of likes, comments. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencer. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. And a lot of influencers earn millions of dollars. In this video, I show you how to create one and how to make money with it. So first thing or first tip you need to do is to start your video on YouTube is using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to because here we have hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can help you or that can help you to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and tap hygiene.com. And to get started, you can just click one of these two options. So you have two options to get started. And also we have a lot of icons that you can check out to um, know more information about the website. For example, use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. So there's a lot of information that can help you to more understand the website. And if we scroll down over here, we'll find a video of an AI character explaining a specific topic. So you can create like this video using this website. If we more scroll down, you'll find various AI character explaining a specific topic, for example, product marketing, sale outreach, um, learning and development, content marketing. So with the various AI character, and if we more scroll down over here, you'll find AI avatars, a lot of AI character. So you can choose which one you want, and then you can start your video. So to get started, you can just enter your email and then your verification code, and you'll answer for a few questions. Then you can sign up, and after signing up, it will lead you to this home page. This is my account. As you can see, my recent creations. So we have here a lot of AI character that I use to create videos. If we more scroll down over here, you'll find hygiene learning guide. So it will help you to understand more the AI studio, how it works, the video avatar too, the AI voice, video translation. So it helps you to more understand and more have information about how it works these things. And if we more scroll down, you'll find templates. As you can see, a lot of templates with the various topics, so it can help you to create your own templates with this AI character that you can use it to introduce your topics. As you can see, here we have this AI character explaining. It depends on the topic that you choose. So the same thing with that. So here we have KPI presentation, for example, sales tech, business report, promo video. So you can choose the one you want to start earning money. And this is the avatar. So as you can see, here we have a lot of AI characters. So let's go to look at another or other AI character to choose one to get started. An example just to show you how to create and edit the video. So if we scroll down, you'll find a lot of and various AI character. As you can see here, we have a lot of one. So you can choose the one suits you, and then you're gonna start. For example, let's choose that one. As you can see, this is Jeremy pink t-shirt. So this is the description of the AI character. There's three dot if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID, and this one if you want to create your video. So let's click on this one on the landscape to get started on YouTube. So here we have a lot of options. As you can see, templates, avatar, script, text, elements, asset, pricing. So there is free AI character and pricing AI character. So there's a lot of one that you can just use it for free. As you can see, if you want to change the avatar, so you can change it. And this is our AI character. You can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle. You can also determine the size of your AI character, so it's depend how you want it on your video. And this is the animation. If you want to add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave, for example, fat, left, right, up, down. So it depends how you want your animation. And this is other options that can help you to make your video more professional. Here we have the script. As you can see, if we delete that one, we will have the chance to edit or enter the script here. You can add another one too. You can edit post section between these two scripts. Maybe it will be 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. Here we have recording. You can edit your recording, and then you can upload the audio. If you wanna write a script, or if you find difficulties on scripting, you can just use GPT script writer, and it will help you to create one and have a professional and good script. And this is for the translation, so you can translate your topics or script to another language if you want. You can just select the language and then you click on apply. And also we have a lot of natural voice that you can choose for your AI character. So we have here natural voice, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and the language too. So you can choose the language you want, and also the gender. So you can choose which gender you want. The ages too, child, youth, middle age, older, and the function. So we can adjust your audio. It depends how you want it and how um, you want your AI character. So you can start as an affiliate marketing, for example, to earn money through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links. Or you can create a video guide using an AI. Influencers can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic, then scripting. So just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So these two examples are just ways to earn money. There's a lot of ways that can or that you can earn money with it. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.